Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use Chroma key feature in Capcut. Let's get to it. Here I have imported my video to Capcut, and before we apply the Chroma key feature, we are going to overlay this video with a green screen video. So just click on overlay. Click on overlay, then add overlay. And I'm just going to use the green screen video that has been available on Capcut. So I'm just going to click on stock videos right here and click on green screen. Then I'm going to select I'm gonna go with this one, so just tap on it and then click on add to import this green screen video to our project. Okay guys, and now the green screen video has been imported, and I'm going to adjust the length. So just click on split, and I'm going to remove this clip. So just click on delete, and we can adjust the ratio of the video. Then I'm going to make the second clip has the same size with the first clip. So just tap on the second clip and just adjust the ratio like this. Alright, and we're going to start applying the chroma key. So just tap on the video like this until this option appears on our screen. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find counted option. And since we want to apply chroma key, we can click on chroma key, then choose pick the color and place this circle to the green color. Then after that, we can click on intensity. Then just increase the intensity, and we can also increase the shadow like this. And after that, we can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and let's have a look at the result. So just play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can use chroma key feature in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.